Richard Madeley and Susanna Reid gave Wes Streeting a grilling during a TV debate on Good Morning Britain on Wednesday, the 13th of November. The Health Secretary was invited onto the flagship programme to talk about the increase in employer contributions that could lead to fewer GP appointments. During the conversation, Madeley and Reid both fired questions at Wes over his plans to introduce football-style league tables to determine which hospitals deserve more cash and which managers should be sacked. One person reacted on X, "Richard Madeley really is underrated as an interviewer. He gets right in there and asks the questions others won't #GMB." Another person chimed in, "Why is Madeley so obsessed with Wes changing his view? It's a free vote. #GMB. A third typed, "Wes Streeting was always aggressive in opposition. H is now growling like a Rottweiler when asked a straightforward question. This is the quality of MPs on both red and blue benches. #GMB. Someone else similarly wrote, "Why don't Madeley and Reid let someone speak instead of trying to interrupt all the time and trying to trick someone into a gotcha? It's terrible interviewing and very amateur." Wes Streeting's plans to improve the NHS have been met with mixed reviews, as the Health Secretary says he wants to see waiting lists reduced from 18 months to 18 weeks. The new reforms will also see NHS health tables in the hope that it will boost failing hospital trusts and encourage successful ones. Mr. Streeting told Sky News, "I make no apology for wanting to manage out the worst, as we would in any other workplace, but where poor performance is too often tolerated in the NHS." A statement from the Department for Health and Social Care said, "NHS England will carry out a no-holds-barred sweeping review of NHS performance across the entire country, with providers to be placed into a league table. This will be made public and regularly updated to ensure leaders, policymakers and patients know which improvements need to be prioritised."